I'm Sothi, co-founder and CEO of Nanobella, and today we're going to speak about CBD. So someone tells me they use a CBD product, I often genuinely have no idea what they're talking about, because there are three distinctions in CBD, and it's important to know what each of them are. When someone is speaking about full spectrum CBD oil, what they're talking about is a CBD oil that has both CBD and many other cannabinoids, and in that oil is up to 0.3% THC, which is the legal limit in full spectrum CBD oil. When someone is speaking about broad spectrum CBD oil, they're talking about CBD oil that has a high concentration of CBD and then a number of other cannabinoids, but less than 0.01% THC. And finally, there's isolate, which is 99.9% pure CBD and less than 0.01% THC. So how do they vary? Most people encourage the use of full spectrum CBD oil because it provides what's described as the entourage effect, all of the cannabinoids working together. That may be true, and although there are differences of opinion, there are known cases of people who get drug tested who've ingested full spectrum CBD oil and failed a drug test. The probability of failing a drug test goes down dramatically if we're talking about broad spectrum CBD oil or CBD isolate. So what's the difference between these two? In this one, there are many more cannabinoids in addition to CBD, and in isolate, we're talking about CBD only. The challenge when we use isolate, though, is we've discussed a number of times that CBD binds to the CB2 receptor that's broadly distributed in the body. So with the use of isolate, we miss connecting to the CB1 receptor, which runs along the neural pathway. At Nanobella, how we addressed it is we focused on CBG, which we know binds both to the one receptor that runs along the neural pathway and to the 2 receptor that's more broadly distributed without being psychoactive. So CBG holds the potential to provide the entourage effect without the risk of failing a drug test, and also that by using CBG isolate, which is 99.9% pure, that we can have a specific, measurable, and repeatable result.